What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. It's about affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, and I just want to give you a quick overview of what maybe affiliate marketing is. If you're new to the channel or you're new to affiliate marketing, I'm just going to give you like a quick 30,000 foot view so you can know what I'm actually going on about and what the actual channel is about making money online, using the vehicle to actually help people leave whatever situation they're in by helping them promote proven products and using a proven system, and partnering with a mentor who can actually take you to the next level. So we're just in funneletics here. This is just like a brief overview to actually demonstrate, because I'm a visual learner, so hopefully this makes sense to you. Like, everyone is on social media at present and they're all looking to get eyeballs, all fighting for attention. So when you have traffic's just people, so whatever platform you're on. So at the moment, so if we're going to what's hot at the moment, TikTok. So if you're on TikTok or you're on YouTube, because you're probably watching this on YouTube, so if you go to YouTube, so these are the traffic sources, and the one thing that you want to take people to somewhere. So the biggest thing that I see new beginners in affiliate marketing, they're not concentrating on building the list and building their own list first before building their own company's list, whoever they're promoting for, or they're actually being an affiliate for. So the biggest thing is get your content, and you want to take them to the opt-in page where you can actually get their data, which is the opt-in. So we want to get the opt-in list, the email here. So this is where, because not everyone buys straight away, like it takes quite a while to build up that relationship, that know, like and trust over time, because everyone's got their BS meters on high alert these days. Even with the pandemic that happened, everyone is more aware of slowly how the online marketing world works, affiliate marketing, entrepreneurship. They're slowly catching up. So you have to build a lot of trust and give them a lot of value before they actually pull out their wallet. So you want to get the email list so you can follow up and give them more value without freaking them out about other stuff. So usually you're driving them to this opt-in page, whether it's from TikTok or YouTube. You might have other traffic platforms where you're on, like Instagram and Pinterest and so forth. But if you take your content, if your content attracts the right buyers and you've targeted the right people, you want them to opt in here. So in this opt-in, you're giving them something of value. So you're going to get them something of value, which is probably a free PDF, cheat sheet, guide, video series. And after that, they're going to go to a thank you page. So this thank you page is introducing you. Like, people want to interest, you don't go straight to the sales page. Like, the ones who just want to make their money, they're just going to get them straight to the sales page. Hopefully the sales page does its thing, but you want to build up your know, like and trust, which they call the thank you page or the bridge page. And you want to introduce yourself, a little bit about your story and why this could help them get out of their struggles, their pain that they're going through right now. Is this a solution for them, and where can they see the benefit of this tool to help them out of their struggles? So after that, then they can, if this is cool, then they'll go to and say you can check out this particular tool or service. And then you have your sales page. So this is where the company's sales page will do the selling for you, because if you try and do that on the thank you page, they'll probably just take off, because you're trying to give your interpretation of what you think the company's about, blah blah blah, and you do too much tech. Once you do the tech babbling, you will lose your customer because they're not into the techno babble, as they say. So you can leave the sales page, which is the company sales page, to do the selling for you, and let them make the decision whether they want it or not. But then, because you have the email, you can follow them up. So they're going to go to email. The lead is here. So they're going to go to here as a lead, and after that they're going to go to your email sequence, your email follow-up, your email little storyline, telling them your story, your path, and your journey, because it might be similar to theirs as well. So we're going to get the email here. So you might have like 3 or 4 emails. In your sequence, so then you just take your email sequence 1, 2, 3, and that goes through a little bit of a story, and you can actually build more rapport with them. So I hope that makes a little bit more sense if you're looking to get involved with affiliate marketing. So this is Daniel. This is my channel about affiliate marketing. Hopefully this just gives you a quick overview of what affiliate marketing is about. There'll be more videos on this channel, and I'll link to more videos down below this in the comment section about affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, and how you can actually use some ethical strategies to actually build up your email list and your following, and actually help people get to the next journey or next level, next stage in their online journey. So thank you for that. Thanks for watching, and check out the next videos below this in the comment section or in the link above this video. So without further ado, thank you.